everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. It's Abdir with my YouTube based Inspiration Kitchen. Welcome again to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you something special. We are in Morocco. We're gonna prepare Baghrir. It's kind of Moroccan pancakes. In French we call it Crêpes à mille trous. You will really love this recipe. I can eat it as a dessert with melted butter and honey, or also breakfast with the almond paste that we call in Morocco amlo. So you're gonna love these amazing pancakes, these Semoule pancakes. Stay with me, let's do it together. But before, I'm gonna try it here. Let's go. Now we will start our recipe. So I have here dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, and I'm gonna add a little bit warm water and 1 teaspoon of honey. I'm gonna mix it and let it on the side. Here I have 250 grams of semolina, and I have 100 grams of flour, and I have here a little bit salt, so just a pinch of salt, and whisk everything and mix it. Perfect. I'm gonna add warm water. We need first of all 1 glass of water here, and mix everything. Then I'm gonna add another glass, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Now I'm gonna add my mix of dry yeast, water and honey. Perfect. Then I'm gonna whisk it a little bit. Then I'm gonna blend it. Now I'm gonna blend it. At this moment, I'm gonna add the rest of water. And at this moment, after 2 minutes, I'm gonna add 1 spoon of baking powder. It's important to add it at this time so that you can have a perfect Baghrir. I'm gonna use a strainer, strain the dot, which is perfectly combined. Our dot is ready. Now on a hot pan we bring our dough to prepare this perfect Moroccan pancake. Just will be cooked just on one side. As you see, it's perfect pancake in North Africa. We'll wait 1, 2, 3 Okay, now it's done. You will see the color. You see golden brown color, and we put them here. As I said before, it will be cooked just on one side. You should really be perfect carefully and wait until dry here on the top. Then you can take it, as you see here. Perfect. Now you will see this golden brown color. So here is our Baghrir. It pronounced like that, or pancake, North Africa pancake, Moroccan pancake. So we can serve it with honey and melted butter. You will really love it as a dessert or in breakfast. Or this magic Berber Nutella, we call it like that in Morocco. It's almond paste with honey and argan oil. It's a mix of these three ingredients. You will really love this Moroccan Baghrir. I hope you will like this recipe. Try it and give me feedback. See you in the next video, another recipe, and bye bye.